Here's a fraction problem that looks scary. Different denominators, ugly numbers, no obvious connection. By the end of this video, you'll solve this in your head. Not because you're a math genius, because there's a simple system. Let's build it from scratch. Imagine you and your friend ordered the same pizza, cut into the same number of slices. You ate 3 slices. Your friend ate 2 slices. Together you ate 5 slices. In fraction language, 3/8 plus 2/8 equals 5/8. That's it. That's the whole rule for same denominators. Just add numerators. Denominator doesn't change. It's just telling you the size of the slice. Let's run through a few quickly. Easy one. 1/5 plus 3/5. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4/5. Numerators added, denominator stays. Done. Now subtraction. 11/12 minus 5/12. 11 minus 5 is 6. So 6/12. But wait, can we reduce? Both 6 and 12 are divisible by 6. 6/12 becomes 1/2. Always check for reduction. Clean answers feel good. Now, what if the answer is improper? 5/7 plus 4/7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9/7. We get an improper fraction. Converted. 9 divided by 7 is 1/7 and 2 remainder. You already know how to do this from the last video. See how everything connects. One more, multiple fractions. 3/10 plus 8/10 minus 4/10. Just work left to right through the numerators. 3 plus 8 minus 4 is 7. Answer 7/10. Nothing changes. Same rule scales for any number of fractions. Same denominator is honestly the easy part. The interesting problem is what happens when denominators are different. Back to our pizza. You ordered a pizza cut into 4 slices. You ate 1 slice. That's 1/4. Your friend ordered the pizza cut into 3 slices. They ate 1 slice. That's 1/3. Together, how much pizza did you eat? You can't just say 2/7. That makes no sense. The slices are different sizes. You need to make the slices the same size before you can add them. That's exactly what finding a common denominator does. First method works for any 2 fractions, no exceptions. Multiply each fraction by denominator of other one. Let's try it on this example. Multiply first fraction by 3. Denominator of second fraction. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Multiply second fraction by denominator of first, by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Now they have the same denominator. 3 plus 4 is 7. 12. Going back to pizza. You ate 3 slices out of 12. Your friend ate 4 slices out of 12. Together, 7 slices out of 12. Now that makes sense. Let's try a harder one. 2/5 minus 1/3. Multiply first by 3, second by 5. 2/5 multiplied by 3 is 6/15. 1/3 multiplied by 5 is 5/15. 6 minus 5 is 1/15. Clean answer. No reduction needed. This method never fails. When in doubt, use it. One small issue. Try this. 5/12 plus 7/18. Method 1 says multiply first by 18, second by 12. That gives you denominators of 216. You'll get the right answer, but you'll be working with big numbers and probably need to reduce a lot at the end. There's a smarter way for cases like this. Second method, find what denominators have in common. Then only multiply by what's missing. Think of it like two people packing boxes. You have 3 red blocks and 4 blue blocks. Your friend has 3 red blocks and 5 green blocks. You both had the red blocks. You only need to trade what you're missing. Same idea with denominators. Find the common factor of 12 and 18. Both are divisible by 6. 12 is 6 times 2. 18 is 6 times 3. Common denominator is 6 by 2 by 3. First fraction has 6 by 2, missing 3, so multiply first fraction by 3. Second fraction has 6 times 3, but misses 2. Multiply second fraction by 2. 5 times 3 is 15. 12 times 3 is 36. 7 times 2 is 14. 18 times 2 is also 36. 15 plus 14 is 29. And denominator stays the same. Compared to method 1, you would have worked with 216 as denominator. Instead, you worked with 36. Same answer, much cleaner. Remember the scary problem from the beginning. Both 35 and 25 are divisible by 5. 35 is 5 times 7. And 25 is 5 times 5. First fraction misses second 5. Second fraction misses 7. 6 times 5 is 30. 35 times 5. 30 times 5 is 150. 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 175. Now 8 times 7 is 56. And 25 times 7 will be also 175. 30 plus 56 is 86. Denominator stays the same. The problem we showed at the very beginning? Done. Told you. So, which method do you use? Simple rule. Denominators look completely unrelated? Use method 1. Multiply by each other. Always works. Denominators share an obvious common number? Use method 2. Find it, multiply by what's missing. Cleaner numbers. Both give you the right answer. Method 2 just saves time when denominators have something in common. With practice, you'll spot which one to use instantly. Here's everything in one place. Same denominators. Add or subtract numerators, denominator stays. Check if you can reduce. Different denominators. Method 1, universal. Multiply each fraction by the other's denominator. Method 2, smart. Find common factor, multiply each fraction by what it's missing. Then add or subtract numerators. Reduce if possible. That scary looking problem at the start, you can now solve any problem like it. Next video, adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Today's worksheet has 12 problems, easy to hard, covering both methods with full solutions. $5 a month for this and all my other worksheets. Link in the description. See you next time.